Hey there! Are you excited to use EZRentOut Alerts and Emails module? Discover how EZRentOut's alert system keeps your rental operations running smoothly. Let's get started. Access the Alerts and Emails module from the navigation bar and set up alerts to stay updated with your rental activities. Explore notification options from the Alerts Details page for every stakeholder from customers to vendors, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Enable subscriptions for email alerts and EZRentOut newsletters. You can select the type of printout template from the drop-down you want to send alerts for. It's that simple. This is what your alerts page looks like. Select the module you want to enable alerts for in the form of daily digest or separate emails, and simply tick mark the box to enable the alert. As mentioned, you can choose to receive emails in two ways: daily digest and emails. This will help you cater to a summary of activities or receive emails separately as per your choice. Certain alert types allow you to choose both the time and the interval in days for sending the alerts. For instance, for orders due in, you can set the date and time intervals as per your requirements. Set recurring alerts for orders, services, payments, etc., due in a specific number of days. Similarly, set the time when you want to receive the alert. Simply select the number of days. To select the alerts your customers get, select Customer Alerts from the Alerts navigation bar. Choose an order template type and select the alerts you want to enable for your customers. For instance, we want to enable alerts for invoices, so we choose Invoices from the drop-down. Just like my alerts, enable alerts under the Customers section. Scroll through the page to find your desired module and email type. Click Save Settings after you make changes to your alerts and you are good to go. Once you save the settings, you will receive a confirmation prompt at the bottom left of your alerts page. And that's how simple it is to stay up to date about your rental activities with EZRentOut.